Hi, I'm Matt Hillebrand with Don's Appliances. As you're doing appliance research, do you ever come across a term, dual fuel? Well, we're going to tell you what dual fuel is. Dual fuel is a term used for a range. So what you're going to have is you're going to have gas as your surface fuel. Okay, so you're going to have gas burners, and it can come 30-inch wide. This is a 36-inch GE Cafe. You can go 48-inch wide, or you can go 60-inch wide. So the top surface will be gas. Your oven will be electric. So inside you'll have an electric broil unit as well as an electric element on the bottom. So you're going to ask, why would I ever want to consider dual fuel? Great question. A lot of people like to have gas burners on top with the ability to regulate temperature as often or as much as they possibly would want. So whether you want that high output for boiling water quickly or pan searing something, or whether you want to just simmer something and you want that low simmerability. So you have that instant on, instant off, and everything in between. So when would you want electric in the oven? Well, a lot of people like electric in the oven to give you an even heat distribution, because with our elements, we're going to have more of a burner pattern, so to speak, as I make that twisty turn. That's kind of what an element does in the base of our oven. So we're going to have that even heat distribution. You're not going to have really the hot spots that you may have with a gas oven. So with that, we're also going to have a similar type pattern on our broil unit. So it's going to give us a more expansive width for even broiling. So if you're out there considering an appliance, freestanding, gas, electric, dual fuel, you'll at least know what that dual fuel term is. Be sure to comment below on our video. We'd love to hear from you. We try and do as many of these as possible. Go to donsappliances.com.